Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its bold claim to be the ultimate rolling palace, the speculation surrounding a projected 2026 Alfa Romeo Royal SportyTruck Motorhome evokes a striking picture of Italian automotive craftsmanship blended with the roomy luxury of a premium recreational vehicle. Although Alfa Romeo hasn't made any official announcements about this model, the idea itself raises questions about how the brand's athletic history, royal luxury, and the sturdy functionality of a sporty truck platform might be combined in a novel way. One would anticipate a deviation from traditional RV aesthetics while imagining the exterior. Alfa Romeo's distinctive curves and dynamic lines would probably be echoed in the design language, which would also include aerodynamic components more suited to a grand tourer than an ordinary RV. With elegant lighting signatures that combine form and function on either side, the recognizable tri-lobe grille would surely be the main attraction. A strong posture, possibly with discreetly flared arches supporting performance-oriented wheels, and a sense of sturdy capacity beneath the sophisticated design are two ways the sporty truck element could appear. Exquisite paint jobs and finely detailed accents would highlight its royal label. This ultimate rolling palace would have an Italian luxury haven within. Imagine rich wood veneers, delicately applied metallic embellishments, and soft, hand-stitched leather adorning finely contoured chairs. The layout would be carefully planned to optimize comfort and space, maybe including a master suite for peaceful leisure, a gourmet kitchen with cutting-edge appliances that blend in seamlessly with exquisite cabinetry, and a living area that is generously proportioned. The rolling palace descriptor suggests that the penthouse feature may be represented by large panoramic windows that provide stunning views and possibly even creative spatial arrangements that heighten the feeling of openness. The term sporty implies more than just style when it comes to performance. One could expect a powerful and sophisticated powertrain, perhaps taken from Alfa Romeo's current high-performance engine families, calibrated for smooth yet quick power delivery, even though the sheer size of a camper mandates certain constraints. Despite having truck-based foundations, the chassis would probably be designed for a stable and comfortable ride, possibly utilizing cutting-edge suspension technologies. To ensure a peaceful atmosphere in this mobile castle, careful consideration of sound insulation would be crucial. The title of royal would go beyond the opulent appointments. Its rarity might be further enhanced by offering bespoke modification options that would enable discriminating buyers to design the inside to their exact specifications. All facets of the onboard environment, from communication and entertainment to climate control and security, would be managed by cutting-edge technology that is perfectly integrated, guaranteeing a contemporary and practical experience. To sum up, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Royal SportyTruck Motorhome, the self-described ultimate rolling palace, is an intriguing, if speculative, combination of Italian design prowess, opulent living, and sturdy functionality. It represents the goal to go beyond traditional motorhome design and provide a distinctive and luxurious form of mobile travel for individuals who want nothing less than the best.